I'm sitting here with Randy Thurston, and I'm going to ask him a few important questions about the challenges in the city of Pueblo. Mr. Thurston, I'm kind of worried about fire station engine number 4. They may have plans to close it. It's very concerning. We want to see it remain open.
The highest role of government is for the safety and the protection of the citizens. And so for me, when I look at the fire and the police and the other services that are here to make sure that the citizens are protected, that's an easy one. That needs to be the highest priority. If there needs to be work, if there needs to be construction, to bring it up to speed, to facilitate the needs and the future needs of the East Side, I have 100% support behind that. And I'm not saying that because I'm running for office. My dad had a heart attack 15 years ago, and it was because of the firefighters, the quick response time of 3 minutes that saved his life. So this is about saving lives, so my support is there 100%.
That's wonderful.